I have a little update for you, YouTubers. Uh, I acquired a little bit of real estate, um about 2 inches on this side of my layout, all the way to this part. I added about 2 inches, so it gives me more space for my parking lot. This was my original parking lot right here. Um, as you can see, it was very small. You couldn't even fit a truck or nothing. Uh, and it didn't have space for my hedgerow, but this is how it looks now. And in this one, I did put concrete expansion joints, and I also cut part of the styrene up all the way to make it look like one is broken up, something is pushing it out from underneath, or this one is giving way. The pylon for the light is a different color. I didn't want to take this other one apart because I might use it someplace else. And the hedge, let me I used to have this piece of like webbing for making trees, and I just put like clump foliage on it. But this, I found a piece of sanding, like sponge, a sanding sponge. Painted it brown, and well, first I cut it into the strip, and then painted it brown, and then added the foam, and you can see that's where it's going to go. I added I forgot what I think this is Arizona dirt. I think is what it's called, what I put here, and that's where it's gonna go. I'm gonna put some sort of stick or wire to hold it. Obviously the wire, I'm gonna color it brown and then push this in, glue it in place. Let me step back so you can see. And I'm also this is how I wire the my lights. These are you can find these things in Radio Shack. They have these little connectors. Let me see if I can get it. Here they are. They come in different colors, and they have those connectors. These little connectors. They snap off this part snaps off, and this is where you hook the wire. And this is so when you do maintenance like this, the way I did this is, if you needed to remove it, you just unplug it. I use magnetic I don't know what it's called, magnetic wire, but it's the magnet that comes in motors. It's already insulated. It has a clear coat on it, and you can see the LEDs inside the light there. And all I do is shove them through this little hole. Sometimes they, because this was supposed to be the same hole, it wound up crooked. Well, there you go. And then the next one goes in, and then you just pull them from underneath. Like everybody else's, is difficult to do with just one hand. And there we go. There we go. There's the light. And let me go underneath the table to show you where the connectors are. They're here. Usually they're color coded, but when I did this, I ran out of that lens, and let me see if I can lamp, and all you do is connect them. And this one is missing one connector, but let me break off one from the. I apologize about the lighting. I need some pliers to break them off. Let me see. I hope that. I don't know how where I can put the light. There. Let me see if I can get this in the camera. See it? There it is. All you do is break it off. See it? Oh, it's actually two broke off. Two of them came. No, I need more pliers. Use the pliers to hold one, and I don't remember it being so difficult. There we go. There it is. There it is. Now we put it in the other connector and connect the light. They're not hard, but for some reason I'm having some difficulty. Okay, let's see if it lights up. It lights up, but one is not lighting up. We have a problem, Houston. I'll have to find out why it's not lighting up. All right. I found the problem. It was a loose wire, and and the connection over here, and this connection right here. No. There we have a completed parking lot. Well, it's not complete. I still have to cut more hedge and put the parking lines and the parking bumps, whatever they're called. Right.